Good morning, students.
Good morning, teacher.
How are you?
We are fine.
Okay, you are fine. Inshallah, today we are going to explain a new topic, but before that, we have to do a quiz, okay? About the previous lesson. Okay, are you ready?
Yes,
Okay.
teacher.
Who knows what was our topic, the previous?
Midpoint.
Okay.
Yeah.
So,
Teacher,
please, can you solve that one to me in 3 minutes
Yes.
on the paper?
On the paper.
Yeah. Just somehow.
Let's do it orally, hocam. Yeah. On the board. Teacher.
It will take our time. Just like that.
Teacher,
You too, you can solve on the board, okay?
Teacher, me.
Just some. What's the midpoint between 4 and 6? And also what's the midpoint between 8 and 9? And so on for the others, okay? One, you can also find it, please. Please,
They
why don't
solve all of them, teacher.
Okay, don't worry.
Done.
Mm-hmm.
Teacher.
Listen, please. Come on. Take a pen. Do you think Gesha is true or not? If she has a mistake, please. It's okay. She's correct? Okay, thank you. Please don't speak, okay? Thank you, Carol. Thank you. Okay, students. So you all understood about the previous lesson. Our topic today, we are going to explain mean and median and mode and also range. Okay? You took from the last year and you have to know some things about it. Okay? Our topic is about mean, median, mode, and range. Okay? So, okay. Ms. Delia, please, could you read to me?
The mean is the sum of the data value divided by the number of data items.
Very good. We have some numbers on the set, okay? For me, we have to collect all of them, okay? After that, each number do you have, how many numbers do you have? We have to divide those collected that we did, divide by that. For example, we have 4 numbers. We have to add in them after that, dividing by 4, okay?
Yes.
That's me. Median. Grow up. Could you please read to me?
Is the middle value of one whole number of data items arranged in order for an even number of data items. The median is the mean of the two middle values.
Very good. If we have 9 numbers, we have to first we have to arranging them from the smallest number to the highest number. Okay. After that, we have to find the middle one. For example, we have 9 number. We will arranging them from the smallest number to the highest number. After that, the 5th number is the middle one for the 9. Okay. But what we what if we have an even number? Okay, we have to collecting the two middle one. After that, we are going to divide it by 2. We will get the median. It means we have to find the mean for these two numbers. Yashar, please.
The mode is the value of values that occur most often. When all the data values occur the same number of items, there is no mode.
Very good. Mode is the most repeated number, okay? In the set, if we had 6 number, for example, 2 numbers repeated again, okay? That's mode. But what if we have 2, for example, if we had 3, 2, 2, 3, and 3, for example. What's the mode?
2 and 3.
No, just 3. Okay. Why? Because, as I said, the most repeated number. Okay, the most repeated number is 3. But what if we have 2 also?
2 and 3.
2 and 3. Very good. Okay, that's mode. The range, Abby.
The range of a set of data is the difference between the greatest and the less than value.
Okay, very good. If we had a set, for example, 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, okay, 8. What we are going to do for the range? For the range, we are going to subtract. We should find the difference between the greatest value and smallest value. Okay, Abby? Okay. What we will do? We will minus 1, it will be
7.
7. So that's the range, okay? You understood? Do you have any problem with that? For the range. In the set, after we arrange it, okay? Don't forget that one. First, you should arrange it from the smallest number to the highest number. Then, you have to find the difference between the greatest number with the smallest number. For that, we will 8 minus 1, it will be 7. So it's the range. Okay. So example 1. We have a data set like that: 2, 1, 8, 0, 2, 4, 3, and 4. We said for the mean. What we will do for the mean? I will tell you. Okay? Then you have the time. But before that one, could you please make a group? 3 group. Boa, can you please have a sitting here? And you two, and also you two. Okay? You have 3 groups. You have group A, U B, and U C. Okay? Okay. For the mean, as we said, we have to adding them. Please pay attention, guys. Please, for the mean, we have to adding them. Okay? 2 with 1 with 1, all of them. We have to adding them. Then we have to dividing by what? We have to dividing by how many numbers do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? We have 8 numbers. So after we added them, we are dividing by 8. Okay? Look. We will adding the value. How many values do you have? 24. 24. When we added them, we will get 24. Okay? And for the next step, as we said, we have to know how many numbers do we have. We have 8 numbers. So 24 divided by 8, it will be 3. Very good. So for the median, as we said, for the median, we have to arrange them from the smallest number to the highest number. Don't forget that one. If you are going to randomly find the median in here, you will do a mistake. Okay? Don't worry, it's easy. And you have to arrange them Arrange the value in order. There are two middle values, so find the mean of this. Because we have an odd number, as we said, we have to adding them. Okay, the two middle one. We have to adding them. So we will divide it by 2. It will be 2.5. Even number. Very good. Even number, not odd. Okay. Mod. For the mod, we said the most repeated number in here. How many numbers do you have? That it will 2 and 2, 4 and 4. So 2 and 4 is the mod. Okay. 2 and 4 is the mod.
Teacher,
What?
what about if we have another 4?
For that issue, you have to choose 4 because 4 will repeat 3 times. Okay? As we said, the most repeated number will be 1. Range, we said for the range, the difference between the highest number and the smallest number. For that one, we will minusing them and with this. What's the smallest number? 0, and the greatest number 8. So 8 minus 0, it will be 8. Okay? Okay. Example 2. Okay. Example 2. One of the classes did a quiz about 10 mark, okay, over 10 mark. And their mark was like that. It was their mark, okay? 10, 5, 6, 7, 3, 8, 8, 6, 8, 9, 2. Okay? That's their mark. The question says, find the mean, median, mode, and range. Okay? As we said for mean, we have to add in the values. We will get 72, and then dividing 72 by what? By how many numbers do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay? If we are going to divide 72 over 11, we will get 6.52. Okay?
Yes.
For the median, don't worry for the median. And don't forget, for the median, you have to arranging them from the smallest number to the highest number. Okay? If you had an odd number, our problem will be easy. But if you have an even number, you have to collect in the two middle one and dividing by 2. Okay? In here we have an odd number, so it will be easy. 7 will be the middle one. Okay? How you know? You have to adding them or subtract them. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 7 will be the middle one. Okay? Okay. For mode, as we said for mode, we have to find the most repeated number. Okay? As we have 8 is the most repeated number. For your question, as asked, in here we have 2 6 repeated, but 3 8 repeated. So what's the most repeated? 8, isn't it?
Yes.
So 8 is the mode. Range, for range we have to find the thank you. For range you have to find the difference between the highest number and smallest number. Okay? So what's the highest number in here? Students? The highest number is Gasha.
Yes, teacher.
Pay attention please. 10 is the highest.
Number.
Students?
So 2, 7.
10 is the highest number and 2 is the smallest number. So 10 minus 2, it will be 8. That's range. Okay. So now is your time.
Teacher.
Okay. Each group have their question. Okay.
Okay, teacher.
So each group have to solve their question. Group A. You three are group A. You two, group B, okay? And you are group C. Please, for group A, write the age of your parents
Okay.
in a group and find mean, median, mode, and range, okay? For group B, how many brothers and sisters do you have? Write down on the paper and find mean, median, mode, and range. Yes, you too. For example, Mr. Supa, I think you have 4 brothers and you are only.
No, say parents.
Your question is different with that. For you, how many pens and pencils do you have? Okay? You should have. At least you should have.
We are the teacher. Yes.
Teacher? Okay? Play. Mr. Supa? Okay, Miss Ryan,
Yes.
for me, what you are going to do?
We are adding our numbers. So
Okay, you added.
we will divide over how many numbers we have.
How many numbers do you have?
We have 5 pencils. We don't have 7.
Oh,
Teacher, finish.
okay, come on. Okay.
We arrange our numbers.
For the median.
Yes.
Okay. What about you? You didn't finish?
No. So teacher, our median.
Okay. How you know about it?
We arrange our numbers from
Okay.
the smallest number to highest number.
Mhm.
So then we will choose the middle.
Very good. But Ryan, let me ask you a question. Why you didn't arrange it from smallest number to the highest number in mid?
Because we will add them, so it's no problem.
It's nice. Okay. Okay,
Ah.
continue.
Get our.
Okay. You are good with that. Okay.
more than one
Very
time.
good.
We don't have any.
So there are not any number that repeat. Very good. Range. One. Yaşar.
Yes, teacher.
Don't sit till I tell you. Okay?
Yes, teacher.
Why you divide that one? Minus 5 with 1. But why you didn't cancel 5 with 3?
Teacher, we will rearrange them from the smallest value to the greatest one, then we will subtract the greatest from the smallest.
Are you
So
sure?
we will have 5 minus 1.
Tamam. Have a seat. Thank you. Very good. Okay. What happens?
Medium, low, and
But why your member of group, why they didn't help you?
we want to speak with each other.
You did.
Yes, of course,
Okay,
teacher.
okay, tamam, no problem. So, mean, what you did for me?
We will add all our numbers we have
Mhm,
and
divided by-
divided by the
Very
18. How
good.
many 18 we have?
For median?
For median, we will arrange our
Numbers.
data and we will write like we will cancel each one. We have
Okay.
two, so we will add them and
Even you have to find the mean of them. Okay,
yes,
very
we
good.
will divide
Will
by
be 52.
2. And more it is the number most repeated is
Mhm.
49.
Very
And the
good.
right is a big number minus small less numbers.
Very good, very good, very good. What about you? What have you done?
We finished.
So, which one? Your member of group did. So, okay. Please pay attention. How many times have I told you? I will tell your parents, okay? I will tell your mother. Okay, so what you did?
This one.
Okay, so can you tell me? Okay.
What topic?
Explain it.
Also, for me, we added them and divided by elements. You have 4 elements, and it is equal to 9 over 4. And for median, we arranged from the smallest to greatest, 0, 2, 3, and 4. And it is even number, even element. So we take 2 of them and divide it by 2, it's equal to
Okay,
2.5.
very good.
And mode, we don't have repeated
Okay,
number,
very good.
so we don't have mode. For range, we are going to minus the greatest, subtract greatest to the smallest.
Very good.
4 minus 0 is equal to 4.
Very good. Stop for him. He's very clever student. So you have 2 clever, but he is very clever. He is most clever than you. Okay. I'm just kidding. You all are clever. Okay, students. Let me to ask you a question. Spot. What was the mode?
Mode. Let me think, Mamas.
Okay.
Most repeated numbers.
Yes.
Most are- if you have repeated number
The most
on the elements, so
Just repeat it? Or
Yeah.
the most?
the most repeated. Yeah.
Very good spot. Okay. Can you please tell me what's the mean?
Me?
Could you help your friend? Let her to help you. Okay?
So that means we have to add our numbers, then we will divide them about how many we have.
Very good. Very good.
Smiling.
You. What's the median?
It is the number that's occur in the middle. If you have four even number, even elements, but if you have four odd elements, but for even elements, we will add the two middle one. Then
Okay.
we will divide it by.
Very good. Clever student. What's the range?
Teacher, the big number subtracting small.
Very good. Okay, students, you all understood. So if you have any question, tell me. If not, for the tomorrow, that's your homework. Each student should find. Look. Pay attention. Miss Abin, please pay attention. Each student, okay, pay attention, please. Each student should find at least 6 of your friends' age. Then find mean, median, mode, and range. Okay?
Okay,
Good. Okay. So you don't have any question, isn't it?
No.
So thank you. You will be that topic will be in the quiz. Okay. So pay attention.